nakakidoma akarukushangwa mugombora ya kizira mfumbi Emihendo bashoborere ngo bakata sente nyingi mbyo buhinzi muri season ehwire konka itirigambira ibintu binebe yahansi munonga ikiri kuza kubaferereza Samuel Musinguzi uri chairperson w'Emihendo abo muri kagwa kidoma yashoborera ngo bwahati ibizwe biri mu buhinzi beire bingi munonga ikiri kuza kuremesa Emihendo okwejumbira mu rumogu.
Okay, on farming, some youth farmers lack good agronomic practices, knowledge. Some of them fail to maintain garden sanitation, hence leading to low harvest. We see that we have low market price for products, where you find that the youth bought kilograms of maize, for example, long 10 at 10,000, and now the current price is 400 shillings only. So this one also hinder the farming practices among the youth, hence leading them to lose the morale to participate in farming.
Umuringo ngogume Jojuiria Magaba urukukikirira Emihendo arikiko rwebembera district ya Kikuube yashoborera ngo Emihendo mu district age nekunda munonga byo buhinzi hamwe no burisa onkebizwe biri mu rumogu byenzere nibirengesereza ikiri kuza kuba bingo mu rumogu. Ati nko kuterera government omuranga okwimikiramo ikarwanitsa bimwe habintu ebyaza kuremesa Emihendo ukhinga no kurisa ibirume mpinda hinduka yobwire ebeye kushuma bwashesha bwira hamwe nebindi.
Twizire ku meeting ku itirahikirana n'abayusi abakidoma umurukwato bayo tekanizibwe abekurembeze babayusi mu Kidoma parish ne twizire kubaza hansonga ngeri tukusobora kurora ntwahindura mindset yaitu entekereza yaitu niko tukatwara district yaitu kuno omaiso yitu kabayusi bimwe bitubarizeho challenges tusangire twina rundo ebikutaribanizamu tusangire ntabayusi bamu bakuruga mu masomero abo butabana ebikwato byo kwayamba bamu na distance bakutwaboringa kuruga mu byaro byabo kugenda mu masomero hari harayira muno nturanti kakusinga government taame kayamba aho amasomero mu parish ziri zikotokoto kuranti buli parish at least yafuna esomero ya government.
Muringo ngogumwe Amlan Tumusime or RDC aba district niemwe yashoborera kwabe by'ubushobozi mu district age bahigire Emihendo okutaho mu kuhinga okurukureta sente mu nshaho ngukonka beye bintu kuguma nehindahinduka ibabirire kizibu munonga.
That the youth of Kikuube district are very hardworking people. We have been mobilizing them to get involved in commercial agriculture, and indeed they are trying. They are into fish ponds, fish farming for that matter. They are into maize growing, cabbages. I have seen some of them in vanilla, but unfortunately sometimes due to price fluctuations they get disappointed. I'm happy today we had this engagement with the theme mindset change. I believe that following what we have been taken through today, they will not lose hope, because if we lose hope then we lose everything.
Bikiriyaho matiri bya mukama nawo beryo mu mishomogu ayihanangiriza Emihendo ukwejumbiro mu bintu bitarukombe kihanga icyashoborere ngwe ikindi kishishe myaka yabo.
For instance, some of the youth are engaged in stealing, others are engaged in smoking opium, but for today they have understood